As spring returns to the high Arctic, the ice cracks and melts under the power of the returning sun. And with the sun, life returns to this frozen world. Polar bears, Arctic foxes, seals, walruses, narwhal and whales roam the Arctic in search of food. In just a few summer months, these animals have to find enough food in order to survive the next winter. Soon enough, the sun sets once again for many months through the seemingly never-ending polar winter. With greater ice melt shattering their essential hunting and breeding grounds, many species become refugees in their own natural habitat.